Bring out your dead! Bring out your dead!
Milliput is great stuff, but if you leave it for a while, the grey stick has a habit of turning into a stone, making it almost unusable. Usually the only thing you can do is throw it away and buy some more.
$500,000 in cash.
But if you work a bit of magic, you can actually bring it back from the dead.
Oh, it's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
Cut a bit off the stick, however much you need. Now, cutting the milliput when it's like this is pretty tough, so you might want to brace the blade with a couple of fingers so that you don't snap it. Place it next to your green stick and cut off the same amount, and you can see that this one is much easier to cut. Now, to bring it back to life, you're first going to increase the surface area of the grey part, and you'll do that by essentially squashing it flat with your fingers. It's quite solid when it's in this state, so if you have weak hands, you might need to use something like a rolling pin to get it flat. Once it's nice and squished, take some water and wet both sides of the grey stuff. Then you're going to use your fingers to work the water into the putty. Fold it over and keep squishing it flat, adding more water each time you flatten it. Milliput reacts with water, so this will get a bit messy, but after a while it will start to soften and become workable, eventually feeling more like the greener stuff, only not as sticky. So once that happens, you can mix the two parts like you normally would. I like to squish them both flat and then place them on top of each other, and then sort of just fold them into each other. Once that's well mixed, set it aside. It's quite sticky and obnoxious to work with when it's freshly mixed, so it's a good idea to leave it for about 20 minutes or so. It's not going to be as nice to work with as the fresh stuff, but if you're using it for something simple like filling gaps or making some ground on a base, then it's going to be totally fine. Give it a try, it works well and it might save you a bit of money.